Hello. Welcome back to another Legacy CNC project video. What if you could produce complex furniture components with less setup, greater precision, and dramatically less handwork? In this project, we're building a modern floating side table using Legacy's Maverick CNC system. From intricate multi-sided leg machining to precision joinery and assembly, every part of this project showcases how Legacy's integrated CNC solutions help woodworkers produce professional quality results faster and more efficiently. Today, we'll see how Legacy's Turning Workstation, CCAM Pro software, and advanced workholding solutions work together to simplify what would traditionally be a complicated and time-consuming build. The most distinctive feature of this project is the four-sided arched leg design. Traditionally, creating these shapes would require bandsaw work, templates, extensive sanding, and a significant investment of shop time. With the Legacy Maverick's integrated Turning Workstation, we can machine all four faces with incredible accuracy while maintaining perfect alignment throughout the entire process. Using Legacy's indexing system, the blanks are mounted between centers and automatically positioned for each machining operation. The result is a repeatable workflow that eliminates guesswork and delivers consistent results from part to part. To shape the arched profiles, we use a Swarf cutting strategy that allows the side of the cutter to create smooth, flowing surfaces with minimal finishing required. The Legacy system makes it easy to rotate, index, and machine each face with confidence, producing complex geometry that would otherwise require extensive manual labor. In just over 20 minutes, each leg is fully machined and ready for final sanding and assembly. That's the power of combining smart workholding, advanced software, and precision CNC control into one integrated system. The assembly comes together just as efficiently as the machining process. The decorative brass pin joints aren't just visually striking, they create a strong, reliable connection between the legs and rail structure while adding a premium design element to the finished table. The bottom shelf further reinforces the assembly while locking the leg spacing into perfect alignment. Because every component was machined accurately on the Legacy Maverick CNC system, assembly is straightforward and predictable, reducing fitting time and helping the project come together exactly as designed. One of the biggest advantages of this project is the software workflow. The entire project was designed in Aspire, one of the most powerful and user-friendly CAD/CAM platforms available for woodworking. For the multi-sided leg machining, Legacy CCAM Pro software takes things even further. CCAM Pro allows you to combine Aspire-generated toolpaths with rotary and indexing machining operations into a single streamlined workflow. Instead of managing multiple setups and separate files, everything works together inside one integrated system. The result is greater efficiency, fewer opportunities for error, and significantly faster production. If you're looking to maximize the capabilities of your CNC, the combination of Aspire and CCAM Pro is hard to beat. Every part of this project was produced on the Legacy Maverick CNC system using the horizontal, vertical, and turning workstations. This unique multi-workstation approach gives you access to part faces that traditional CNC systems simply can't reach without additional equipment, added setups, and repositioning. Whether you're producing furniture components, architectural millwork, cabinet parts, or custom woodworking projects, Legacy's integrated workstation design helps you machine more complex parts while reducing labor and setup time. Add in proven workholding solutions like the Low Pro clamps, vertical inserter clamps, and Legacy's Turning Workstation accessories, and you have a system designed to keep parts secure, improve accuracy, and increase productivity. In total, all of the machining for this project required only 3.5 hours of cutting time, demonstrating just how efficiently complex furniture projects can be produced with the right equipment. If a Maverick CNC was sitting in your shop tomorrow, what would be the very first project you would build? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about what you are working towards. Now, this next part may not be for you, but we do have project plans available on Legacy's website at legacywoodworking.com/projects. And we'll leave the link in the video description below. But we also have a full calendar schedule of upcoming hands-on workshops where you can register and come to our Legacy facility. You'll learn directly from our team, build real projects, and discover how shops across the country are using the Maverick CNC to produce furniture, cabinetry, architectural millwork, and custom woodworking products faster than ever before. Whether you're looking to grow your business, increase production, or simply build better projects, the Maverick CNC was designed to help you get there. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in that next video.